Rancilio HSD-SILVIA Silvia Espresso machine. I collected a few of the most frequently asked questions from people who are interested in purchasing the Silvia Espresso machine. I have collected all these questions and I'm going to answer them in this video. So let's begin. One of the most common questions is what's inside the box? What comes in the box? So there's a tamper, the drain pan, under overflow pan, the water container cover, the coffee basket handle, and 2 coffee grind interior cups. One is for single shots and the larger cup for double shots. Is there enough space for an American-sized mug to be placed just below the spout? There is space for the mug if you remove the tray. Can you steam milk and pour espresso at the same time? Well, no, because the Silvia has only a single boiler, and steaming milk has to be done at a very different temperature, which is about 250 degrees, than brewing espresso, which is about 200 degrees. So neither of these operations can be done at the other operation's temperature. So the answer to this question is no. Now, there's a link right below this video that will take you to a website where you can save up to 32% for the Rancilio HSD-SILVIA Silvia Espresso machine. If you find this video helpful, please like it and share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more great updates. Have a lovely day!